SEO Writing AI integrates seamlessly with WordPress for easy posting and can even auto-generate images to jazz up your content. Hello, digital explorers. Welcome back to the AI Tools Corner, your digital compass guiding you through the vast universe of artificial intelligence. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the labyrinth of SEO content creation in this rapidly evolving, hyper-connected global marketplace. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to introduce you to a tool that's not just incredibly powerful but also remarkably user-friendly. Get ready to meet SEO Writing AI. As we dive into the world of artificial intelligence, let's explore the latest trends, tools, websites, and tricks related to the upcoming AI tools in 2024. Now, let's talk about our star of the day, SEO Writing AI. It's like having your personal writing assistant, supercharged with advanced AI technology. Let's take it for a spin. First, log into the SEO Writing AI website. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see options like one-click blog post, bulk article generation, and create a document. Now let's see the roadmap of SEO Writing AI, where it have 3 columns. First of all, the future planning of this app. Second, all those projects which is in progress. Third, all the complete projects. Now let's see the what's new. In the page, you can see last update. Second, you can see one-click blog post template. But wait, there's more. SEO Writing AI integrates seamlessly with WordPress for easy posting and can even auto-generate images to jazz up your content. And guess what? It supports 48 languages, making it a truly global tool. Just click on one-click blog post, fill in the basic information related to your article, like top 10 free text-to-video generation tools, add your keyword, title language, size, voice tone, and target country. You can even add images and videos to make your article pop. There's also an SEO section where you can add relevant keywords and links to all sources. Once you're done, hit the Run button to generate a complete blog post. Below SEO section, we have Structure section, which have 9 major things to boost up your blog overall look and improve your article functionality. You can add conclusion, tables, H3, list, quotes, and FAQ. Bulk article generation. Bulk generate and auto-post up to 100 articles in a batch of WordPress in one click. Now we will add main keyword. 1. Text to video. 2. Text to image. Wait for a few seconds, it will take some time and generate. Awesome article. So, if you're ready to level up your SEO game, give SEO Writing AI a whirl. And here's a little something for our AI Tools Corner family, a special 25% discount coupon. Just use the code AI Tools Corner. Check out the link in the description below. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.